Hey guys, so welcome back to another video. Sorry it's been a while, I've been very busy, but I finally got around to making another video because, well, I ordered another Gemini jet like usual, and it's just such an amazing model that I decided, okay, I must do a video about it right now. So, doing an unboxing, so here is all the box, which I'm sure you aren't interested in, but let me open it up and show you the model inside. Okay, so here's the box, but address, here it is. It's probably the newest model. The American MD-83. So, model, well, the box is just pretty usual. Oh, wait. Looks like a little more retro. Well, I don't know. Looks a little different, made for collectors by collectors, but MD-80, but I haven't gotten a 2019 model yet, so this is my first 2019 model, so I don't know. So there's your stuff, there's more stuff. Here it is. And then there's just your as real as it gets stuff. So let me open it up. Here it is in all its glory. It's not too long. I'd say, well, I'd say about as long as the 757. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments below, but so about that wide. Go. So let's go over it in detail. This is the cockpit. Nice, very nice. Service door. Focus, please. Please focus. Guess not. Oh, there we go. There we go. There's the main door. Just the American livery, very shiny. Focus. So very, very, very shiny. I love it. You've got just an American name there. And you've got the exit panels over the emergency exits there. The wing, flaps and lights and that, which I thought was just like some dirt or something right there, but that I thought it was dirt, but no, it's the light. And then wingtip lights there. So your engines, you got that classic AA livery from the Eagle. Move this thing. Got that. So let me move it. I'll show you the bottom. It's rolling landing gear, which is nice. Gemini jets. Baggage doors. Yep, there's your door, your staircase. For those of you who don't know, if, say this came up to a remote airport and there's no air stairs or no gates available, they can just click a button or pull a switch or whatever. All I know is I have this, and then the staircase folds down. So you can do this on MD-80, MD-90, DC-10, 717s, and 727s. Tell me if there's more. I don't know. Maybe there is. but then you got your elevators. And yeah, it's the model. So here is where it would usually fly. Okay. And as you can see here, I got a DG Pilot. Really, really, really amazing website where you can get it. They aren't paying me to do anything like that, but just saying, it's a pretty good website. It has normal pricing, free shipping, and, well, it's a smaller company, so they'll sign their names and such like that and on your receipts. And so it's kind of weird. It says MD-80 on the box and it says MD-83 there, but okay. And yeah, they're pretty good. They give you rewards points, and it's free shipping, and it's good price. So great stuff. So I'll leave a link in the description to their website. And also the only people I know besides the airplane shop with a physical store. So yeah, thank you for watching. Here, sorry about the dust there, but or whatever it is, but here you will find a link to the other videos in this series. Here you'll find my latest video. And yeah, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye.